this AK guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, I always say that don't try this to Chevrolet cars. Yes, don't try this one to Chevrolet cars. You always get yourself wanting. Let's go and see what you're not supposed to do to Chevrolet cars if you don't want to bear a big cost to your car. Don't try this one to your Chevrolet cars. So let's go here. As again, this one, if this is a tie rod ends and there's a tie rod right connect to the rack there. Yes, so as this one as Captiva Chevrolet, especially Chevrolet Cruise Captiva, those use the electronics steering rack. Yes, electronic steering rack. Don't try this at all. And as a car owner is supposed to aware about how to remove your tie rod from the hub. Yes, connecting to the hub, how you can remove it. So if you try this one, it will affect your steering rack. Small. One day you see that your steering rack will stop, will damage, and it will cease, and then your steer will become hard when you do this to your car, or when you do this when removing the tie rod ends. Maybe this tie rod ends are spot and you want to change it and replace it with a new one. Please again, you can see it here. You sometimes hit this one with a hammer, yes, so that this one will come out, so you get access to the ends, the ends to be changed. So you lose this bolt and you hit this one. So this is what I'm telling you, that don't hit here whilst this one has been connected to the tie rod ends. This tie rod connected to tie rod ends here. Yes, so this supposed to be removed. You lose this bolt, then you lose it, then you use 13 spanner or 15 or 14, any spanner that is able to hold this one firmly. To open this one, you have to use that spanner. After losing this one, you turn it, you lose this one too, so that this one, the rod will come out from the tie rod and separate itself from tie rod ends before you begin to hit. But if it connects and you hit it, it will affect the motor. Yes, the steering motor, that electronics one, it will cease. I'm telling you the fact, it will cease, and you will not get it back unless you buy new one. So especially Chevrolet Cruise, that aspect, and that use the electronic steering. Yes, electronic steering. Don't hit here before taking it out, but you have to take the rod out from the ends before you hit this one and separate it and change it. Otherwise your steer rack will damage and it will bear you large costs. You're going to buy a new one. After buying a new one, you program it, the programmer will take its share. You buy a new one, it's a cost, and then the mechanic itself, because maybe the mechanics will not tell you the truth. Yes, so you're supposed to be separated. As a mechanic, you need to separate these ones before you hit here and get this one out from the hub, then it will be free. So don't try this to any electronics steering rack, or especially Chevrolet cars that use electronic steering rack. Don't use it. This is Educate Garage, educate.garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and we move on. So this is it. Bye.